everyone, it's me DJ Diwata and once again welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, I will be reacting to the cover songs of Mission Souls, and these are Royal Oil by the Mighty Mighty Bosstones, published 5 days ago with 8,500 views, and Spiderwebs by No Doubt, published 8 days ago with 16,000 views. Ayan, na-explore ko na naman ang music pagdating sa Mission Souls kasi ayan, hindi ko kilala Spiderwebs, so nag-google na naman si DJT, and thank you so much sa Mission Souls kasi na-explore ko ang music at ito nga, o diba, may bago ako na-discover na meron palang ska or iskia, diba? So ayan, ang alam ko na talaga is reggae, pero iba pala yung reggae and ska music. Okay, so ayan, pakinggan na natin at excited na ako dito kasi naman, tinan nyo naman yung yung get up nila, talagang ang cool. Okay, so let's go, pakinggan na natin. Ang galing ni Aiso, o diba, jug. Wow, ang astig ni Daddy dito,
Royal oil, come and bubble and boil. Steps like that will make you stagger on a hot tin foil.
Ang cool na kanilang get
Mind your mind or it will surely spoil. We'll sleep down in the soil. Nothing comes from nothing, come on. Royal oil, smoke or poke the poison. Yo, lose the chance to beat tomorrow. You're gonna lose the chance. Look out on the horizon. You can see the sadness, the pain and the sorrow. Can't say enough about the stuff or what it has in store. If you smoke or poke the poison, you won't be anymore. Royal oil, come and bubble and boil. Steps like that will make you stagger on a hot tin foil. Mind your mind or it will surely spoil. Sleep down in the soil. Nothing comes from nothing, come on. Royal oil, cut many down to the sides. Fight the striking weak and strong alive. Forever and never close those eyes. Put your mind to keep your mind up. And to your life below it. Nothing comes from nothing, come on. Royal oil.
Wow. Ito yung highlights ng tatlong magkakapatid. Oh, wow. The sweet.
Make up your mind, keep up your mind, and to your life you got to be loyal. Royal oil, come and bubble and boil. Will make you stagger on a hot tin foil. Buys your mind or it will surely spoil. Sleep down in the soil. Nothing comes from nothing, come on. Royal oil, sleep down in the soil. Sleep down in the soil. Sleep down in the soil. Nothing comes from nothing, come on. Royal oil.
Wow. Galing. Na-appreciate ko yung ska music ngayon, dahil sa kanila. Okay, next natin, Spiderwebs. Wow. Oh. Wow, okay. Wow. Wow. Fantastic. Galing.
You think that we can live, that the chemistry's correct. Your words walk right through my ears, presuming I like what I hear. And now I'm stuck in the web you spin. You got me for your friend.
Wow, look at that.
Sorry, I'm not home right now. I'm walking in the spider web, so leave a message and I'll call you back. Oh, like this story, but leave a message and I'll call you back.
Eto na. Ito fretting. Oh my gosh, galing ni Leisha.
And you're taking up my time. Don't have the courage inside me to say please let me
Wow. Wow.
communicate.
Forties, no?
Leave a message and I'll call you back. Oh, it's all your fault. I scream my phone calls. No matter who calls, I gotta scream my phone calls. It's all your fault. It's all your fault. No matter who calls. No matter who calls. I'm walking in the spider webs. Leave a message and I'll call you back. I'm walking in the spider webs. Leave a message and I'll call you back. It's all your fault. I scream my phone calls.
Ganda ng harmony nito.
Gotta scream my phone calls. It's all your fault. It's all your fault.
Eto na yung magkaama. O, diba? Naka-highlights.
No matter who calls.
Wow.
I'm walking in the spider webs. Leave a message and I'll call you back. I'm walking in the spider webs.
Ang galing ang ating waves dito. Yes, so naman may rocks of princess. No, itong kagandahan sa Mission Souls, no, talaga na-explore ko yung music, and I never, I have no idea with Iskia or Iska, but dahil sa kanila talaga nag-google pa ako, and nalaman ko na ang difference ng Iska sa reggae. So thank you so much Mission Souls, kasi talaga namang nabibigyan nyo ako ng knowledge at talaga na para magkaroon ako ng idea kung ano ba yung tinutugtog nyo. I have to Google pa, or I have to research kung ano ba itong mga music na ito at kung sino ba yung mga artist, okay? Anyway, ayan, ang ganda ng Royal Oil and Spiderwebs. Ang saya, nagpakitang husay na naman, nag-shine na naman yung mga magkakapatid, at hindi lang yan, ang gaganda talaga. Gusto ko yung kanilang get up, talagang cool na cool. Anyway, thank you so much to Daddy Sekan and Mami Sheena, kasi napakahuhusay na ayan na naman ako, napakahuhusay ng inyong mga anak, nagmana sa inyo, sobrang talented, no? And bibihira po talaga na na magkaroon tayo ng underrated artist na family talaga. Ayan, medyo nahihirapan naman ako magsalita. Iilan lang po kayo na nakikilala ko pa, and I'm sure marami pa dyan. Kaya sana tangkilikin natin yung mga artists natin na Filipino, okay? And napaka-humble talaga ng family banda to. Bakit ko nasabing napaka-humble nila, no? Kasi every time na magko-comment ka sa kanilang cover song, or pag napanood mo sila, talagang binabalikan kanila at nagbibigay sila ng napaka-init na compliment sa pagdalaw mo sa kanila or sa pagpanood mo sa kanila. At yan ang isa sa mga hinahangaan ko sa Mission Souls, kasi talagang sobrang humble nila, okay? But anyway, ayan, masasabi ko na napakahusay nila. Ang dami natin mga underrated artists. Sorry po. Ang dami natin mga underrated artists na talaga namang masasabi natin na nakatago at hindi nakatago o hindi napapansin, okay? Pero alam nyo, dahil sa iba't ibang platforms ng social media ay talagang nadi-discover sila, and thank you so much po sa lahat ng mga viewers natin or subscribers natin na nagbibigay sa akin ng idea or nagsasuggest, nagre-request na panoorin ko sila at gawa ng reaction video, okay? And ang Mission Souls, masasabi natin na one of the most sensational, okay, family bands here in Philippines. Talagang pinag-uusapan na sila at nakikilala na rin, kasi nga iba-ibang foreign actors ang gumagawa sa inyo ng reaction video, at saludo po ako sa inyo. Pagpatuloy lang po ninyo yung pagpapasaya sa amin ng mga kapwa nyo Pilipino, and sobrang nakaka-proud kasi bilang Pilipino, para nyo na rin kami inaangat, di ba? Para na rin kami yung hinahangaan dahil sa inyo, okay? So ayan, ganda ng ng ating umaga, o diba? Kahit na may nararamdaman si DJB, talagang napasaya tayo ng Mission Souls, okay? And if you want to enjoy more of the cover songs from Mission Souls, at talagang masasabi natin ang dami nyo madidiscover ng mga kanta, o diba? Kagaya ko, ang dami ko na-discover from dahil sa Mission Souls na ginagawa nila ng mga cover song. Ayan, don't forget to subscribe Mission Souls. Ang dami nyo pong mapapakinggan ng magagandang cover song sa kanila. And if you enjoyed watching this reaction video, please don't forget to give your thumbs up. And if you are just new on my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the tiny bell button, all notification bell to get notified on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe also aking DJB Israel. Ayan. Anyway na naman tayo. Bye-bye everyone. Hope to see you again on my next vlog. And always remember that music is life and life is all without music, because music is one of the closest things to a time machine. It brings us back to the memories of yesteryears. Bye-bye. Hope to see you again on my next vlog. I love you all.